This is my morning here. Good morning, guys. I probably look so busted right now because this is how I look like with no makeup in the morning and looking all crazy. But I didn't have a chance to really vlog yesterday just because we got in to Hawaii a little late. We had our flight delayed. There was like a broken radio piece, which I'm thankful that they fixed because I'd rather be safe than sorry. However, we didn't get to vlog too much just because we had to check in and, you know, do all that normal stuff and settle in. It looks so orange right now. There's like a lot of people here this early in the morning, and I was wondering what time people wake up here. So I wasn't really trying to vlog because there's so many people there. So guys, I'm sorry we didn't get to vlog too much yesterday, or I didn't get to vlog too much. We were literally just trying to catch up and, you know, just enjoy the time, and we were really tired, and the time difference, so I mean, it's not like a big difference, but still we're just kind of tired. And I'm kind of getting used to this new camera. It's a little heavy, so I'm glad I brought my tripod with me. So today we will make it up to you, and I gotta be quiet because there are people sleeping. Don't jump, bird. Don't do it. Don't do it. Good morning from Hawaii.
Right there. That one looks like it used to be a Tiffany's.
Just arrived at the Dole Plantation. Couldn't really film in the car because it just started raining on us. So now it's nice and sunny. Let's go.
It didn't even just rain, it fucking stormed.
Dude, I felt like needles and rocks were just hitting my face. And I kept going like this. I couldn't see. Aloha.
To our right are the grounds of the Plantation Garden Tour, where guests can take a leisurely stroll through 8 different mini gardens and get an up-close view of a variety of plants, flowers, and native species while listening to stories about life on the plantation and Hawaiian heritage. I translated the name today. Hawaiian is home to people if you can spare some time. The Dole packing plant located right across China and India.
Oh my god.
Cacao trees flourish in humid tropical regions in a narrow band.
Hi. Thank you.
Some papaya over there too.
Ah, those bugs. Bugs. Ooh. Great adventure today in the rain in this car. We were literally wearing goggles at one point, and believe it or not, it's starting to sprinkle now. We're back in Honolulu right now, so it shouldn't rain, but it's sprinkling a little bit. Just finished eating, had the best ramen noodles ever.
Dude, they got a
Oxtail
long
soup. Oh my god, that was back at Ceremony in Daly City and off of Alamany. Damn, they still have one. We should just go in there just for the hell of it. Yeah, right? We had oxtail ramen. Amazing. You guys gotta check it out next time you guys come here.
That's where they moved to.
Ooh, we moved to a bigger spot. I'm trying to find our Urban Outfitters. Okay.
It's on this side of the block too.
You see what I see, ducklings? That's what I said. I saw the dog. See, look. Oh, that's where the water came from. Look at that. Oh, this is the International Marketplace.
Yeah, this used to be all
Open. Ooh, maybe we can go over there and watch the sunset. The sun looks like it's really beaming right now, though. Let me just take a look at this view. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at that tree. That tree looks gnarly. Do you like that? I said gnarly. Mahalo for not smoking. This tree is humongous. I don't know what's going on. Look at this guy jumping up and down. This tree looks so pretty. It has so much character. We gotta find a sign and read what this tree is all about. But look at this. Just listen to the birds. They're like, this is my home. So beautiful.
It's so loud.
I know. Thank you.
Hawaiian style,
Oh, that's the restaurant you're talking about up there, right?
Nobu Kento. Hindi naman.
Hey, Eugene?
Yes.
James at 10:30, ah.
Yes.
If you have anything earlier, you can let me know.
150 naman, Dorothy.
9?
Thank you.
Ano ba?
Basta. Yun na yun.
Wow. This is humongous. There's popping boba in here, honey. There is some lightning going on. That was crazy.
Look, it's so clear over here, but it's behind us. Take a look at the dot.
I thought that was a luau. I was like, oh, is there fireworks going on?
No, but you saw it in the sky, right?
I did after I came out, and then right before I turned on the camera, I saw a flash. Dang it, I just missed it. There's like some thunder and lightning going on. But it's so clear. From this view, I did not know that the mall is like right there. So this road actually whips around and it bends that way. So when we were walking and filming, that's where we're walking across that little bridge where the boats are on that side. That's where the mall is. And another trippy thing, we were watching the game. We were sitting at the last two seats at the bar, and you could only see those last two seatings from this view. I believe it's right there. I was pointing at the wrong direction. A little hut there. Sorry, my finger. That's the bar. Yep. That's the pool where we went to today. And then after the pool, we went to the beach. Wow, it's a trip. I can see everything from here. Well, I guess this is what you get for living in a tropical area. There's thunder and lightning, although there is clear skies.